lane.
Okay, we'll get
Now,
there.
get in the left lane now. Slow down. You're driving too fast. You're doing 60. The speed limit is 50.
It's
Slow
55.
down. No, 60. Stop playing.
Babe, we're going
You're
5.
BSing
We were going 55,
me.
and then when I hit the gas, we
BSing
were
me.
going 6.
No, you're being push you out.
You can.
No. I'm gonna throw you out of the car and you can walk. That's what you can do.
You can pay my medical.
No, you can go sit in there and suffer by yourself. Lane! What do you no? Get on powers! Get on powers! Babe, get on powers! Get on. What are you? Oh my God! What are you doing with your life? There's no cars! Get on powers! Go on! Oh my God! What are you doing? No! Get on!
No, I just want to.
Oh my! I'm done recording. I'm stopping. What is going on, Breezy Gang? It is your boy EliBreazy, and I'm back with another banger on the channel. For today's video, if y'all did see the freaking title of the thumbnail, basically I am pranking my girlfriend. Now look, you guys have been telling me you guys want a lot of girlfriend videos or whatever, so I am bringing back another girlfriend video. And for today's video, if y'all did see the title of the thumbnail, I'm basically gonna get a sign, and I'm gonna write on the sign, it's gonna say honk to piss off my girlfriend, and I'm gonna put it on the back of my car. And basically today she's thinking that we're doing a video of her driving my car, so because like I don't never let her drive my car. So basically I was like, look babe, let's do a video where basically you drive my car and let's just see how it goes. But she does not know that I'm putting the sign on the back of the car, so everyone's going to be honking at us. Hopefully everyone's gonna be honking at us. Hopefully this video turns out well. But look, I need you guys to leave a fat thumbs up on this video, subscribe to the channel if you guys have not, turn on those post notifications. I want you guys to be part of the freaking Breezy Gang or no gang. That's how we rockin'. Hey, I love you guys so much, and let's get it, gang. All right, Breezy Gang, so I got the freaking paper right here. I already made it. It says honk to piss off my girlfriend. Do not clown on my handwriting or whatever, but look, so basically I'm gonna be taking this tape and I'm gonna be taping it right here, so just give me 1 second. Alright guys, we are good. I got it on there or whatever pretty good, so that's the most I can get it. Alright guys, as you guys did see, I did get it set up in the back of my car, so now I am going to her house right now. So I'm gonna basically pick up the video when I get there. Guys, wish me luck. I just want to freak her out so much because she's basically just me driving my car for the first time, and then everyone's honking at her, and I'm gonna be going crazy like, hey, slow down, calm down. You know, I'm gonna basically just be messing with her, so yeah, I don't wanna do too much talking. Let's get to the video, let's get it. Breezy Gang or no gang, that's how we rockin', let's get it, gang. Alright guys, so she does not know it's behind the car. She's gonna be freaking out, hopefully, because a lot of people should be honking at us, but let's get it. Alright guys, so we in the whip right now, and she's fixing the seats, and she's doing whatever. Hey, get off the phone. You're not supposed to be on the phone while you're driving.
We're not even.
Ooh, got him. Get off the phone.
We're not moving yet.
This is gonna be a good video. So what is the first thing you gonna do? I'm scared for my car.
You're always scared.
Hell yeah.
Always. I feel like that's the one thing that you're always like scared about.
Yes, this is my prized possession. This is my baby. This is the most expensive thing I own.
Okay, but I think it's crazy that I haven't let you drove my car, but I'm driving yours.
Yeah, because I'm just a good boyfriend. I'm just like, yeah,
I
care about my girlfriend, you know. Alright guys, so today's video is sponsored by UA Shoe Service. Now look, if you guys want freaking sneakers that is like limited, you know, all types of stuff like that, you know, Yeezys to, I don't know, all types of shoes like that. If you guys want some good quality shoes, 100% legit and everything like that, go to UA Shoe Service 688 right here. If you guys do see on the screen right there, go check them out. They do sell, you know, amazing shoes. Their customer service is amazing. Their shipping is hella fast, and you know, you can message them on Gmail and you can text their number or whatever. Right, that's right there. Let's get back to the video. You know what's so funny?
What?
It's like I don't even keep the overdrive on. So there's not even that much power.
It don't matter.
Alright guys, we're taking our first steps. Our first steps, guys. Ah!
You're making me so nervous. There's like nothing to be nervous about. Either.
Nothing to be nervous about.
I'm a good driver.
Guys, she said there's nothing to be nervous about.
Okay, not for me.
Oh, first car. Oh my God. You're driving too fast already. We're already going. Oh my God. You're going too fast.
Babe, the speed limit is 25. We're going like 27.
Oh my God, no. That's too over the speed limit. There's deer. Look at that. There's deer in her neighborhood.
Babe.
All right, guys.
Oh my goodness.
We can't drive. We're not driving with no music on. I'm so scared.
No.
Like,
I can't drive in silence.
Well, we have. Unless you want me to get copyrighted.
Should we go that way? Let's
go
this way.
Oh my God.
There's more cars this way, so let's go that way. Make you even more nervous.
All right.
Oh, we should have went on Academy. We should have went that way.
Oh my gosh. Turn around. Go on Academy. Oh my God.
Okay, either we can go on Academy or we can go on Austin Bluffs because I feel like those are like the two busiest streets.
Anywhere
Which
you.
one?
We'll go to Austin Bluffs.
Powers too.
We can go to Austin Bluffs to Academy, and then after Academy we can go to Powers.
Do you want to go that way?
Yep, go that way.
Okay.
All right, guys, we're about to get on Academy.
I should have ran that.
Well, right now we're about to get on Union, and Union's taking us to Academy. But no, you should not have ran that because we would have died. Yeah, look at that. Already bad driver. She's already being a bad driver. Talk about how she should have ran the light. Get her off the road, please.
I was just kidding.
Yeah, just kidding.
Oh my goodness, that's too funny.
All right.
I feel like I have to go like super slow because I don't know if this person's gonna come out and they're gonna be like,
I know. I hope not. Please stay away. Stay away. He got all close. He got all close.
No, he didn't.
Yes, he did. Did you not see that?
Oh
I'm gonna have to replay that. He got all close.
I feel like nobody knows how to drive. I feel like I'm not the only one. I feel like half these people in this world don't know how to drive.
A lot of people in this world do not know how to drive.
I feel like I can drive. I just drive fast.
Yeah, you drive obsessively fast everywhere you go.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I don't know. I don't like to take my sweet time. I like to like get places when I want to get places.
Yeah, I know. But see, we've been on just back streets, so now we're getting on Academy, and I'm a little bit nervous.
I think we should go on I-25.
No, I think we should not go on I-20.
think we should.
Hell no, we shouldn't go on I-25. This girl talking about going on the main highway. I don't know, maybe for a part 2. All right, guys, we taking our first steps onto Academy.
Oh my goodness.
With a lot of cars. Go in the left lane. Yeah, the one from here.
You act like I don't know what the left lane is. I don't like how your mirrors are set up. You so like.
Well, it's set up. All right, slow down. You're going too fast.
No, we're not.
Oh my God.
No, we're not. No, we're not.
Yeah, look at that. We're supposed to be
No,
going.
stop.
Yeah, she's trying to hide it. Yeah, we're speeding and shit.
Stop. You know how I think it's like every time I be sitting in that seat, every time you take off and you stop, I'm like.
Oh, hey, people honking.
I feel like I have to like fly backwards, like because you like take off so damn quick. So I don't know why you yell.
Was he honking at you?
I don't know. I really could care less.
All right, guys.
I just don't want him to like leave in front of me because I feel like I'm hitting him.
Don't hit him.
Yeah, I knew he was gonna come over.
Was you looking in the rear view mirror? You getting a little nervous? Oh, you getting a little nervous, huh?
No, I'm good.
It is a little hot in here.
Yeah, I told you.
Y'all peep the drip, peep the drip. All right, we back on Academy.
Okay, are we gonna go?
See here, people are honking at us.
No, you're honking at us. Shut up.
By your bad driving.
I be honking at people all the damn.
Slow down, slow down.
Wait, we're not even going that fast.
People are honking at us. Slow down.
Okay, how does someone honk at you when you're going too dang fast?
I don't know, but he honked and he honked.
Who cares? They're probably honking at people outside of us.
I hope so. Slow down. I don't want to die. I'm actually shaking, like literally.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. This is my prized possession.
I know. Oh my goodness.
It's my $15,000 baby. Yeah, I know.
I would love to drive that.
Yeah, but let's keep your eyes on the road. Please. Please keep your eyes on the road.
I do keep my eyes on the road. Be quiet. I just don't like how I'm in the left lane because every time I'm in the left lane, I like to go like 80 miles an hour.
Yeah, you don't need to go 85 miles an hour on a 45.
Yeah,
Not in my car, shoot.
Right, you're right.
Maybe in yours.
You're right. I don't be doing that no more, so be quiet.
I don't be doing that
I don't be
anymore.
doing that no more.
I don't be doing that anymore.
I know.
I don't be doing that anymore. How you feeling already?
I'm not nervous to be honest.
I'm nervous.
I'm not.
I'm nervous.
Because I trust myself.
Why you looking in the rearview mirror?
Ah!
What is you scared for?
I'm just, I don't know. It's a habit. Every time I be driving, I'm like, I gotta look everywhere. But I'm not nervous. Like, I feel pretty comfortable.
Shoot, I
Because
am.
I've driven your car before, so I feel comfortable. It's just, if it was like a first time, I'd be super.
This is the first time in the daytime.
No.
Look, there's a police officer. Oh, look at him. Look at him. Already, he's looking for you.
No,
You
he's
and your
not.
speeding.
He's looking for you.
And then this.
They already know.
Much.
No, I don't.
Babe, people are honking.
That ain't my fault. You act like they're automatically like directed toward me. Like,
It's probably from your bad driving and going 50 miles an hour.
how?
But did you literally just...
Okay, now I feel uncomfortable, and now I don't want to drive anymore.
No, but did you literally... No, please drive. I don't
No,
wanna...
everyone's like honking. Like, I get that, but I feel like it's not directed toward me. I feel like it's other people.
I hope it's not. There's nothing to do but keep driving. Don't stop.
I will.
No, you won't. Alright.
I feel like everyone knows it. They're probably like, oh my goodness, it's EliBreazy. Because I feel like everyone knows what kind of car you drive now. I feel like that's another reason why people honk. But I could be wrong.
Well, a lot of people know me, so.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah,
and
keep
like
going straight.
And you like keep posting your car. So I feel like a lot of people are like, oh, like that's what he drives. You know, so I feel like a lot of people notice that. So they're probably like, oh my god, like, it's EliBreazy.
I know you just. No. I know you just. No, hey, slow down. I feel like people honking is you're speeding or something.
Okay, but people don't do that.
Baby, I'm actually getting nervous as hell.
Like, I am too. How do you think I feel?
Do I have flat tires or something? Damn.
You're already like over there.
That my fans will probably like to see that.
You're over there already tensed up enough.
Shut up.
Like, get you more tense.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. Don't be lying.
I'm not tense.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. I'd be tense when you be driving. I ain't gonna even lie. I'd be sitting there like, let's hope I make it home alive.
Because I'm that nigga. I does that.
Let's hope I make it home alive.
Go in front of her.
In front of her?
Yeah.
Would you ever trust me on a motorcycle?
Hell.
I want to
Did you? I know you just heard that. Alright, guys. So we is approaching Powers, which basically is, if y'all don't live in Colorado, it's like, it's not really a highway, but it's like a fast street or whatever you drive on to get from where you need to go. And you do go 50, but in her case you go 85.
Oh my goodness.
No,
I'm telling people how I drive.
I'm just saying.
I feel like people be like, they already like I know that, or like they.
Speak up, they can't hear you.
No, I don't want people to like know how I drive. I don't.
If you talk like this, there's no way they're gonna.
I want people to like
no
know
way.
how I drive.
Well, it's gonna be in the video anyway, so you might as well just speak.
Yeah, I know, because you're just out here exploding my business.
I know. You excluded my business talking about getting a ticket and stuff.
It's alright. You've only gotten one. I've gotten. We don't need to talk about that. I've only gotten one.
You're a bad
Actually,
driver. That's
I
what
got
you
a
are.
speeding ticket.
Have you been in any wrecks before?
I knew you were gonna.
Yeah. Have you been in any? Look, she getting all nervous, legs moving, the window down, looking out the rearview mirror, look, legs twitching.
Alright, I got one. I'll be honest. I got one speeding ticket, and I've been in 3 accidents, but the last one wasn't my fault. Someone rear-ended me.
Alright,
The
y'all.
other two were mine.
Alright, y'all. We hitting Powers now. Oh God. Alright, you need to be in the left lane.
Can you just be quiet so I can drive?
In the left lane.
Okay, we'll get
Now, get in the left lane now. Slow down. You're driving too fast. You're doing 60. The speed limit is 50.
It's
Slow down.
55.
No, don't matter. Slow down.
Oh my, babe, we're going 5 over. 5 over.
Yeah, slow down.
Babe, we're not going that. We're going 55. You see that?
Now we're going 55 because you have to slow down because there's a light.
55.
No, we wasn't. I looked at it. It said 60. Stop playing.
Babe, we're going
You're
5. We were going 55,
BSing me.
and then when I hit the gas, we
BSing
were
me.
going 60.
No, you're BSing me. You're BSing me.
Oh
Stop
my
playing
God.
with me.
I'm not. For me to step on the gas, yeah, I went 60.
Yeah, I know, and it's a 55. You're speeding.
Oh
That's
my
considered
God.
speeding.
Can you not talk to me like
That's
this?
considered speeding.
Oh my God.
You need your license revoked. You don't need a license.
Can you
and you don't need to be
stop? You're
driving
making
on
me
this
feel
world.
bad.
Yeah, I know. You need to
Does
feel
anyone
bad.
just want my license right
Yeah,
now?
yeah,
in
does
general?
anybody- would
Like,
anybody-
I'll sell my car and just walk to college, walk to school.
Hey, free. Hey, let's do a giveaway. You know, a giveaway when I hit 10,000 subscribers, free car and free summer's license. If y'all want to drop.
Car?
Yeah,
Are you
yeah.
insane?
Yeah, I'm
No,
insane.
we
We're
ain't
getting
giving
rid
my
of that.
car away
We're getting
for
rid of
free.
that
No.
bulky. That's what we're finna.
Not funny. That is like my car. That's okay though. You don't drive it. You don't put gas in it. You don't put the maintenance on it. Can you shut up? God, maybe
Can you shut up?
let's just wreck your car right now.
Shoot, not with me in it. Let me
can get
push
out.
you out.
You can just get out yourself
I'ma
and you can walk.
I'ma throw you out of the car and you can walk. That's
And
what you
if
can
I get
do.
injuries, you can pay my medical.
No, you can go sit in there and suffer by yourself.
Ugh.
Ugh.
Okay.
Damn.
Let me y'all.
Just drive my car.
Can y'all just shut up?
Y'all, dang, Breezy Gang, she said, can y'all shut up?
Okay, I wasn't referring to them.
Can you slow down?
I love them. You on the other hand, like I'm going too fast, but I know.
Slow down,
We're
man.
going 55. Oh
Slow down. If you're not driving near anybody, then what's the point of the video?
not talk?
You're not driving near anybody.
not
If
talk?
you slow
Can
down,
you just not talk?
can you not talk?
Can you not talk? Because I'm literally doing this.
Can you jump out of my car? Can you jump out?
Yeah, I would. You want
All right, let's do
kill
it.
myself and get run over by someone?
All right, let's do it. All right.
Oh, there's a
3.
police.
Oh my God, there's another police. They're looking for you. Look at that. They're looking.
Made eye contact with me.
Yeah, I know. I've seen that. Your driving is terrible. It's trash. It's been okay so far.
I don't even want to drive anymore.
I don't even want you to drive anymore. I'm over here scared for my life. Police. Slow down. Going 63, 62.
We're going 65.
That's even worse. 65 is even worse.
I'm just being honest. I'm not gonna
Let's just be honest. Let's just be real. You know, not as good as me, but you know, you're doing alright. You're doing alright. Beginner, you know. Takes practice. It's alright. Yeah, speed up. Now we can drive by car. Look at that. Another police officer. Another officer. That's my homeless dude right there. I like him. I'm sweating so bad, my shirt is wet. Ah, no. Yeah, right. Ah.
You just told me to get over.
Now get back in the left lane.
No, we're okay. We're okay.
No, go back in the left lane.
Do you want me to go all the way over there?
Yes. Come on, learn how to drive.
Hey,
Shoot.
stop.
You stop.
What?
Did you just...
I'm about to...
Baby, they're honking at you.
No, they're not.
Did you not just hear that?
No, I said not. What are you hearing?
They... Oh my God. Is your driving that ass?
I literally need to get over, and this guy either needs to speed up or slow down.
That's a girl.
I can't see out your mirror, so I don't know if she's a girl or a guy. Simple.
If she's a girl or she's a guy?
I said if she is a girl or a guy, I can't tell.
No, I can tell.
Okay, well I need to get over.
Oh my God! I just washed my car. What are you doing? Get in this lane.
No,
What are you? No, get on powers. Get on powers, babe. Get on powers. Get on.
I don't wanna
What are you?
be
Oh my
Can we just go
God!
this
What are you doing with your
way?
life? There's no cars.
No, I wanna
Get on powers.
No.
Go on. Oh my God! What are
Baby,
you
can we just
doing?
go
No,
this
get on.
No, I just want to go
Oh
this
my! I'm
way.
done recording. I'm stopping. Well, guys, she didn't take powers. Do you want to explain to them why you?
No, I don't even want to talk. You already put me at your stop.
Do you want to explain to them
No.
why you didn't take powers?
No,
Yes.
no, I don't.
You're gonna look back on this and you're gonna laugh if you don't tell them
Yeah,
why
you're
you
right.
didn't.
I am gonna
Why?
laugh.
So why didn't you take powers? Why did you get off powers?
Because this is the way I take to Walmart, so I didn't want to go that
But
way.
I kept screaming and telling you to get back on
You've been screaming
powers.
at me the whole entire time while driving this vehicle.
But why didn't you get back on powers when I was telling you to get back on powers?
Because I just didn't want to.
Are you that scared of driving?
Yes, of your car, yes.
All right, let's pull over. Let's go to the
No,
comment.
we're
Let's
getting to-
come and go
no,
over there. No,
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 we're
I'm
getting
done.
to Walmart.
The
No.
video is over. No, I don't want. Breezy Game does not want to drive with you anymore. You didn't take powers.
Oh my God.
They wanted you to take powers. You didn't take powers. Everybody was honking at you. I just want to go home. They were honking at you. Your driving must be that bad. Guys, her driving is coming to an end. Can you stop with the attitude?
No, I just want to go home.
You want to go home?
Yeah, you already made me feel bad. Like,
How'd I make you feel bad?
fuck the cop over there. Just sit over there and do your little business.
Look at him. There's another cop just sitting there watching you, baby.
Good, let him sit over there.
Oh my God. Guys, her driving just came to an end.
Yep.
She lost her license today. She's done. Look at the cop. He's looking at her. He's like, all right.
Good, look at me. Arrest me. Put me in jail. That's
Baby,
what you gotta do.
all right, let's grade you on your driving.
0.
I give you a C because people were honking at you.
I feel like they weren't even honking at me though.
Yes, they was honking at you. Come here, come back here, give me a hug. Come back here, give me a hug. Sorry. Come back here and give me a hug.
You are some great people. I love it. Instead of being rude like you.
I know you see it.
Stop.
Yeah, that's why they was honking at you. That's why they was honking at you, baby.
Funny.
All right, guys, let's take this off. This is the end of the video.
Piss off my girlfriend.
Yep. And now there's freaking tape and... Oh, that's okay. No, that's okay. That's just the sticky stuff. Yeah, that's just the sticky stuff.
Baby.
Yeah, baby. Yeah. Uh-huh, yeah, I bet.
I want to keep driving.
No, you're done driving. No, you're done driving. Baby, you're done driving. No, you're done driving. Part 2? Part 2 for another drive? For the highway? You want to come over here? No, I can't hear you. You're sitting over there and it's loud. So you want to go on the highway for part 2?
Yeah, can we?
All right, so guys, how many likes? But make this one reasonable because this one's probably not gonna blow up like that. I hope so, but
You might have to go and get another car wash.
no, I don't need another car wash. How many likes for a part 2 on the highway?
I want to say the last.
Let's do 100 likes. Yep, 100 likes for part 2 to go on the highway. That's 60 miles, 80 miles an hour in my baby. And let's do 250 likes to take your car on the highway.
Okay, go for it.
All right, bet.
Go for it. I ain't worried about my car.
Shoot, all right.
Okay.
I'm about to whip your stuff.
Okay.
Yeah.
If something happens, I can afford it.
Yep, let's get it.
Okay, I'll be here.
All right, tell them like, comment, and subscribe.
I don't even want anyone.
Do my outro, baby. Come
I feel
on.
like it's so bad.
Do my outro.
Alright, guys, but I'm ready to go on the highway. I truly am. But like I said, comment on.
Thumbs up on the video. I don't know if you guys can see me. The light is behind me. Yeah, leave a fat thumbs up for the freaking video. Also, subscribe to the channel. Be part of the freaking Breezy Gang or No Gang. I love her so much. Look at this. She got played. But yeah, that's the end of the video, baby. All right, what do we say at the end of the video? It's been your boy. It's been.
I don't even remember this. It hasn't even been
You don't
that
even know my
long.
name?
Isn't it been like, oh, it's been EliBreazy, like
Talk to the
we
camera.
out or something like
It's
that?
been your boy EliBreazy and
In summer.
And
We out or something?
and
I don't remember. Is this bad?
I'm giving these and.
Oh, peace out, y'all. Or something?
No, it's when your boy EliBreazy. It's been summer and we out. Peace. That's all you had to say. You're trash.